Did you know your morning cup of coffee could be impacting your cholesterol levels? In this video, I'll dive into the research that first uncovered the connection between coffee and cholesterol. Then, I'll break down the fascinating mechanism behind how coffee raises cholesterol. Finally, stick around for the most important part, practical tips on how to enjoy your coffee without affecting your cholesterol. Let's get started. Coffee and cholesterol. The link between coffee and cholesterol has been known for decades, with research dating back to the 1990s revealing some surprising findings. In a study involving 2,109 healthy non-smokers aged 25-65, researchers discovered that just one additional cup of regular coffee per day was associated with a shocking 2 mg per deciliter increase in total cholesterol. This groundbreaking insight has sparked ongoing investigations into how coffee consumption influences heart health. This increase was not observed with decaffeinated coffee. A latest study indicated moderate coffee drinking may be protective. Drinking more than 4 cups of coffee each day results in excess cardiovascular deaths. In this study, raised cholesterol levels in younger coffee drinkers were observed. How coffee raises cholesterol. A quick breakdown: the connection between coffee and increased cholesterol primarily stems from two compounds found in coffee oils: cafestol and kaweol. Here's how they work. 1. Cafestol and kaweol in coffee oils. Cafestol is the most powerful cholesterol-raising agent in coffee. It's high in unfiltered coffee varieties like French press, Turkish coffee, espresso, and boiled coffee. 2. Disruption of cholesterol regulation. Cafestol interferes with the farnesoid X receptor, FXR, in the intestines, which typically regulates bile acids responsible for breaking down fats and cholesterol in the liver. When FXR is disrupted, the liver's ability to convert cholesterol into bile acids is reduced, leaving more cholesterol in circulation, which raises LDL, bad cholesterol levels. 3. Increased cholesterol absorption. Cafestol may also alter how cholesterol is absorbed in the intestines, raising blood cholesterol levels by affecting the body's processing of dietary fats. Now moving toward practical tips to reduce coffee's impact on cholesterol. 1. Choose filtered coffee. Use a paper filter. Brewing methods like drip brew, pour over, and some single-serve pods use paper filters, which trap most cholesterol-raising compounds like cafestol and kaweol. 2. Limit espresso and unfiltered coffee. French press, Turkish coffee, espresso, and boiled coffee allow more cafestol and kaweol into your cup, so cutting back on these can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. 3. Moderate your coffee intake. Stick to moderate consumption, 2-3 cups per day, in small portions. Coffee's antioxidant properties can be heart-healthy when enjoyed in moderation. 4. Opt for decaffeinated coffee. Decaffeinated coffee contains much lower levels of cafestol and kaweol, making it a safer option for those concerned about cholesterol. Mind your brew time. The longer coffee grounds are in contact with water, the more oils, including cafestol and kaweol, are released. For unfiltered coffee lovers, shortening brew time can limit the amount of these compounds in your cup. To wrap up, we've explored how coffee can affect cholesterol levels and the science behind it. Remember, using filtered coffee, limiting unfiltered varieties like French press and espresso, and moderating your intake can help you enjoy coffee without impacting your cholesterol. By making these small adjustments, you can still save your daily cup without worry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.